Multifunctional monocular low-light level night vision system. The multifunctional monocular low-light level night vision system is designed for providing distinct night observation image to applications of law enforcement, search and rescue, and outdoor exploration. Support two types of use that are helmet-mounted and handheld. 1. Main features. 1. The function of auxiliary illumination improves the observing capability under the extremely dark condition through. 2. The protection function will prevent strong light from damaging the night vision device. 3. The night vision device is mounted on a helmet through a monocular helmet mount to switch between left and right eyes. Two night vision devices are mounted on the helmet through binocular helmet mount to serve as a binocular night vision goggle. The flexible application mode can be adapted to various scenarios. 4. The night vision device host has the magnification of 1. The front end of the objective lens can be connected teleconverters of 3 and 5 quickly and easily, so as to transform into a night vision telescope, which achieve the night observation of near, medium, and long-distance targets. 5. To finish night vision image capture and videotape, the night vision device is connectable with camera lens. 2. Main specifications.